So here we are again on this tent looking. Uh, if you look closely, this is just like a three rectangles intersecting each other. So let's play. Why? Yeah. This is not a timer. It's a stopwatch. I need a stopwatch like this. Okay, play. And first we do the background. Like always, copy this and paste. Why? Okay. We have no selector. That's why. Put this up here and now let's create the rectangle. This horizontal first in the bottom. So let's name this for instance bot for bottom. And bot and adjust the width 150 maybe, and then this is 50 to 30. Anyway, let's go back to the sizing. Let's put this on the bottom first, middle bottom. Maybe 5, maybe 250, 200. That for now, and the left bottom right. Why it's not? Yeah, wrong spelling. And let's push this to the top. That, and let's make this longer. Its width. Like that, 250 by 300. Then let's create the right. This is right. Of course, we will not left this representation here. Also, we will do the left since we're at this right. So the right here would be in the middle. Yeah. It is vertical. Let's adjust this. Maybe let's stay with this horizontal. We can just put this in the center and rotate. Like that. Maybe negative. Since it is right, yeah, positive. And rotate more. Then let's push this to the right. Okay, I see. The rotation is just like that. And the left variant. this is negative, and push this to the left, negative. That was fast. I don't mind showing you this. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna show you the real thing in the browser. April 30, 29. It looks like a tent, so tent. Paste. Oops, copy the code and paste. Cut this. Let's create the external CSS to this. And then while opening the media, let's run this in the live browser, live server, and this is what it look like. Exit, and let's continue. We have opened the media, the picture. Alright, where is that? Documents, downloads, pictures, quick access, screenshot. Here, put this here, and yeah, that's it. Terminal. I can't see the terminal, so let's just manually. No, not manually. Just push this to the GitHub here. Git then commit, and after that one sync. And if we open our tab, it is right here. We successfully pushed the thing. Okay, that's all.